I just want to tell to everyone regarding the current situation, the real situation in Almera, especially to the top management of Almera. I want to address this scenario that you know Almera management is very worst management. You know, the people in the top management doesn't know what is really happening in the operation, in the store, in the branch. Most of your area manager, they are doing nonsense. They are only making drama every day. Every day, that time they are visiting in the branch, they are just doing all drama. And making nonsense action. And to those staff who are working properly, they don't like. But to those staff are, making chamcha, or, they are acting also, that they are working if the area manager is coming and they are making chamcha. So they love that kind of people. They love that kind of person. I don't want to mention my area manager. My area manager is Mr. Sono Jacob, but he's a good man, but he loves people are doing chamcha. But not only him, I observe all the area manager. Who is this? Isat. Isat, Isat is working in for how many years? But, they are only making drama you know, to make money monthly. How much they earn in 1 month? So Almira management is blind. You know, Almira management is, who is that? Now acting CEO is Mr. Roger. Mr. Roger is, all of them. They are only making drama to make money. How much their salary? Big. That is a legal corruption in Almira. I don't know what Almira does and what HR doing. They are doing nothing. And who are really suffering in the branch? The staff, the small staff, the small supervisor, and is all the labor, the salesman. They are the ones suffering in the branch. The manager is, who is the manager is doing properly, the area manager doesn't like. That is the real situation in Almira. Now Almira is worse. Now many people are going to resign, and now Almira is trying to hire new staff to join them, but they are new, so they don't know what is really exactly situation in Almira. Worst scenario in Almira. So that's all. I just address this is the real situation in Almira. All of them. Area manager, all are doing only drama. Area manager, legal department also doesn't know anything. I don't know what happened to them. So now people, they are trying, all the people is, what is the instruction coming from? From Roger. So the people doesn't want to follow them. Okay, create the issue and send it to the HR. That is they're doing. The manager, now the manager, they are fleeing. They are fleeing. So the manager, it should be a small issue. They doesn't want to solve. They love to send to the HR, so that the top management will notice, okay, this manager is doing properly, because they have a lot of, that is the worst. Meaning to say, if you send your stuff to the HR, meaning to say you are useless manager. So this is absolutely stupid management in Almira now. So I hope the Almira management, the top management, the chairman will know this one, that this Roger is playing. They are only playing to create money. How much is salary? And the area manager is supporting to this man, and the area manager and the manager is now making drama. How much the salary of manager? 16,000 to 18,000, 19,000. Oh my God. And then who is suffering? The small staff, the labor, the salesman, and the small supervisor. That's all.